Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an origami rabbit like this one here. I'm going to be using just a square piece of paper. I don't know the dimensions. So yeah, let's get started. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half. So this is a very real easy thing to make, so don't worry, you're not gonna mess it up. And then we're gonna fold it in half the other way. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be folding this edge here to the middle and then this edge to the middle like this. Then fold it in half just so you can crease it, make sure there's some good creases. Then we're going to open it back up. We're only going to fold this one side to the middle. So we're not going to fold that side in, just this one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this point to the crease we made right there. Like so. Then unfold it. We're also going to do it to this other side here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half like this to make it into a triangle. Now what we're going to do is undo that one, fold it in half the other way. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold these two back in. And you can't see the folds on my thing because I'm using some colored paper. What you do is there's a fold we made, you just sort of lift up like that. Right, because there's make into a little square and then fold it like that. Then we're going to do it to this side as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it over like so. And then we're going to fold that line to the middle line. And then we're going to do it to the other side as well. And then it's going to look like this. Now what we're going to do is fold it over, and we're just going to fold it back over like that. And then we're going to fold that little tip in. Not all the way so it's touching that, but just a little bit like so. And then we're going to fold it in half like that. Making sure everything is lined up properly. Making a crease. And then we're just sort of gonna see, because now there's an ear on each side, and we're just gonna lift those up like that to lift up the head. Not too far, but as much as you think will make it look good. Like so. And then you're here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fold this like that. There's no, just do it how I do it. There's no exact exact way to do it. You just sort of do it. So look, that's how the fold will be, and then unfold it. And then you're going to open it up, and you're just gonna fold it down, and then refold it. And then you're gonna open it up again, and you're going to fold this line here to the edge there. And then you're going to do the same to the other side, fold that there. To make, this is to make the feet. And then just fold it all together, and then it should look like this. Now you have two little feet there. Now the last thing to do is to finish the ears. So what we're going to do is we're going to just not completely make a crease, but like just a little bit of one, and then open it up, put your finger, and then just sort of fold it until it stays open, like that. Now we're going to do the same to the other side. Well, sorry if the camera's a little bit wobbly. I keep knocking the tripod. And then that's how you do the ears, and then that is it. If you really wanted to, you could draw eyes, but that is unnecessary because it looks good how it is, I reckon. So that's the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment what you want to see in the next video. Bye.